has been a leader in the ink tank category with its existing range of G-series ink tank printers. And in 2019, it has added new ink-efficient printers to its existing product lineup.
G6070 is an all-in-one printer with print copy scan. G5070 is single-function color machine. G7070 is a 4-in-1 machine with fax and ADF. GM2070 is a single-function mono machine with optional color printing. GM4070 is a multifunctional mono machine and ADF. The new models launched come with the following top 6 upgraded features: high-speed printing, automatic two-sided printing, higher paper feeding capacity, easy network compatibility, higher GSM support, 35 sheet capacity ADF tray.
These printers are targeted for customers like Soho, jobbers, government and corporates. Hi, I'm Sapna, and in the next few minutes, we will take you through these top features along with the additional differentiators of these newly launched printers. All printers come loaded with advanced features to meet the modern-day business demand. They are sturdy enough to handle heavy-duty printing. They can handle high-volume printing with the high-yield ink bottles provided. Best suited for customers printing high volumes such as corporates, schools and government. Customers can choose between default mode, new economy mode, as per their requirements in the new models. Also, the customers no longer have to make a painful choice between quality and quantity. The cost of printing is also a complete value for money, and it significantly reduces cost to 10 paisa in standard mode and 8 paisa in economy mode. Colored documents costs only 31 paisa to print A4 size. Bottles are designed for fast ink refilling. They drain readily into the ink tanks, so you don't have to squeeze the bottles. Once the maximum ink level is achieved, the filling stops automatically, so there is no overflow of ink. Additionally, when you install the printer for the first time, the printer will be ready to deliver the first print within 4 minutes. Yes, the new G-series has reduced the ink charging time by 2 minutes. Also, higher volume means high speed for lots of businesses, which is why Canon new G-series are designed to deliver large volumes with high-speed printing in both black and white with 13 IPM and colored prints with 6.8 IPM. A 4x6 borderless image gets printed in only 37 seconds. Another advanced feature in these new printers is the auto duplex printing feature. Customers using variety of media sizes can also print on both sides of the paper automatically and save time, paper and cost. All printers support auto duplex in A4, A5, B5 and letter paper sizes.
The two models, G7070 and GM4070, have 35 sheet ADF capacity.
With the new G-series, customers have the freedom to print large volumes without having to worry about refilling the paper tray again and again. These updated printers offer high paper feeding capacity, which means you can store up to 350 sheets while using both front cassette and rear paper tray. They are also designed to store 2 kinds of media at the same time. For example, you can place A4 size paper as well as 4x6 photo paper together for low manual intervention. And now it is even possible to check the paper level while printing without opening the paper cassette. As we know, customers these days store their documents and photos on various devices such as mobile, laptop, iPad or even a DSLR camera. Hence, Canon has made these printers compatible to connect to various kinds of devices. Let's check the connectivity options available. Wired LAN allows users to connect the printer to the office network with stable speed and data security. Wireless Direct, where one touch connect button lets you print from your smartphone devices wirelessly. Using Canon Print Service plugin for Android and AirPrint for Apple users. G6070 and G5070 lets you print from your iOS device through AirPrint. For Android mobile devices, print and scan using Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Good news for the camera users too. They can connect and print photos directly from their DSLRs through PicRich easy connectivity options. All models also come with easy USB connectivity.
G7070 also has fax facility for those quick official documents.
Customers have a requirement to print on variety of media as well. They want to print anywhere from thin flyers to a heavily coated media for advertising posters. These new printers allows their customers to print documents and photos from 64 to up to 300 GSM. The media size for printing can be selected between card size to legal size. To print business cards, borderless photos, legal size documents, certificates and more. Not only this, to make the user's life more easy, Canon has introduced Smart Voice Command by enabling Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, which means that users can now print various content through a voice command. Just ask Alexa to print by using an Amazon Echo and Alexa-enabled devices. Print various types of content such as coloring pages, etc. With the Canon inkjet printer, Skill Alexa can even check the status of your printer for you. Also, to make the space management easy, all three models are made more compact, which is suitable for customers with space limitations. Not only are they compact, they also have bigger display panel. The new model have two-line LCD display. This helps the customers for easy print setup and provides guidance during any error code related to printing or connectivity. The vari-angle display in G6070 gives you the freedom to adjust the panel to your eye level while performing any printer function. All printers work with Windows and 3 printers are also Mac compatible. There is an additional feature which is the special copy menu. It offers two-sided copy and ID card copy function. This feature saves time and paper at the same time. The maximum copies can go up to 99. Not only this, these printers also come with some easy-to-use convenience features for the customers. To name, Remote User Interface, which helps the administrator to remotely manage the printer under the same network. Auto on-off function. If you enable this function, it automatically switches on the printer when user fires a print command, thus saving power. For commercial users, the function on-off feature adds value in terms of customizing the machines before delivery. And finally, these printers also meet the different creative requirements of various customers with the help of Poster Artist Lite software. This free software lets you choose from hundreds of editable templates to design your own posters, flyers, large promotional banners at no extra cost of an expert. You can go up to A0 size. So much of innovation and technology put together into one machine just to enhance your business and printing experience. Let us have a quick recap of these new printers again. High-yield ring bottles for high-volume printing. Default mode 6000, Economy mode 8300 and colored mode 7700. High-speed printing. Black and white 13 IPM, colored 6.8 IPM, 4x6 borderless in 37 seconds. Speedy installations, ink charging within 4 minutes. Auto duplex in A4, A5, B5 and letter paper sizes. Two-sided copy, ID card copy function and frame erase copy. Higher GSM support. Print documents and photos from 64 to up to 300 GSM. Higher paper feeding capacity, 350 sheets. Compact size. Connectivity and mobile printing in iOS and Android devices. Remote user interface and auto on-off function. Smart voice command with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Creative Poster Artist Lite software. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit our website in.canon.
Canon, delighting you always.